Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the key points in tutorial writing. When you are writing a tutorial, the first thing you do is, of course, write a headline. But keep in mind that when you are writing a headline, you're also defining your audience and you're also defining what type of tutorial are you writing. So, for example, if you are writing a step-by-step guide, you can use active voice in your headline. Let's look at an example. So as you can see, this is a step-by-step guide to performing a sandwich attack. As you can see in here, the writer first defined what a sandwich attack is, and also the writer wrote about how the sandwich attack performed as a step-by-step. Keep in mind that when you are writing a step-by-step guide and using active voice in your headline, you're attracting a certain audience, the audience that knows what they're doing. What I mean by that is the audience is going to write on Google how to learn to perform a sandwich attack. Because they're not an absolute beginner, they know that they need to write this in order to get the certain materials that they might need. So as you can see, by just using active voice in your headline, you have established what type of tutorial are you writing and what type of audience are you planning to attract. And this is another example. This is like a comprehensive deep dive to stablecoins. This is like a documentation of some sort. And as you can see in here, there is a table of contents. So the audience knows what this article consists of. Using table of contents in your tutorial helps the audience immensely. And also I want to talk a little bit about the length of the tutorial. As you can see, this is a 25-minute read article. This is a really long article. So what should be the optimal length of the tutorial? Well, the ideal length varies based on the complexity of the topic and the depth of the explanation required. However, it's important to be concise and to the point. If a tutorial is too long, maybe consider creating a series. This not only makes the information more manageable for viewers, of course, but also encourages them to return for more. And lastly, I want to talk about writing in a unique voice. Writing in a unique voice is crucial. The web is flooded with content, and a distinctive voice can make your tutorials memorable. And of course, don't be afraid to experiment and see how it goes. You can use different unique voices in different articles to see which one is better.